Welcome to your SSC exam preparation session. Today, we are diving deep into percentage and expenditure problems, and by the end of this lesson, you are going to walk away with complete clarity on this topic. So let's get started. Look at the question on your screen. The price of petrol shot up by 5%. Before this hike, the price was 82 rupees per litre. A man travels 3,045 kilometers every month, and his car gives a mileage of 15 kilometers per litre. We need to find the increase in his monthly expenditure to the nearest rupee. Now, think about this for a moment. How do we approach this without doing unnecessarily long calculations? The very first thing we need to figure out is exactly how much petrol this man is using every single month. We know his total distance is 3,045 kilometers and his car's mileage is 15 kilometers per litre. To find the total petrol consumed, we simply divide the total distance by the mileage. This is your anchor fact for this topic: consumption equals distance over efficiency. Let's plug in our numbers. We divide 3,045 by 15. When you calculate that, you get exactly 203 liters. So, this man needs 203 liters of fuel every month to complete his journey. Now that we have our base consumption, we can move on to the financial side. Now, here's the key thing. Many students make a classic mistake right here. They try to calculate the new price of petrol by adding 5% to 82, finding the total new monthly cost, finding the total old monthly cost, and then subtracting the two. But why does this matter for your exam? Because in the SSC exam, time is your most valuable asset. We don't need the total new expenditure. The question specifically asks for the increase in expenditure. So, let's just find the increase in the price per litre. We know the initial price of petrol was 82 rupees per litre, and the price hike is exactly 5%. To find out how much extra the man is paying for every single litre, we just need to calculate 5% of 82. This is a much smarter, faster approach. Let's break this down mathematically. 5% is simply 5 divided by 100. Multiply that by 82. 5 times 82 is 410. Divide that by 100, and we get exactly 4.10 rupees. This means for every litre of petrol he buys, he is paying an extra 4 rupees and 10 paise. By focusing only on the difference, we have saved ourselves from dealing with large, messy multiplication later on. Always look for these shortcuts when you are sitting in the examination hall. And this is where it gets interesting, because we are now ready to find our final answer. We have all the pieces of the puzzle. We know the man consumes 203 liters of petrol every month, paying an extra 4 rupees and 10 paise for each liter. To find the total increase in his monthly expenditure, we simply multiply the total petrol consumed by the price increase per liter. Let's substitute the values we worked out in the previous steps. We multiply 203 by 4.10. When you multiply 203 by 4, you get 812. Then, zero point 0.1 times 203 is 20.3. Add them together, and you get exactly 832.30 rupees. Look closely at the question again. It specifically asks for the answer to the nearest rupee. Since zero point 0.3 is less than 0.5, we round down to exactly 832 rupees. This is your final answer. And that wraps up everything you need to know about percentage and expenditure problems for your SSC exam. In our next class, we will be moving on to advanced profit and loss concepts, so make sure you stay tuned. And if you haven't already, download the Examivers app. It's your complete preparation companion for cracking the SSC exam. We'll see you in the next class.